Hello there and welcome back, my beautiful Mextalkers. Hey, do you know what the number one complaint of every language student is? Sometimes they say things like, I can read and I can understand what people say, but I can't speak the language. Does this sound familiar to you? If so, please watch this video because I'm going to help you overcome this problem. First of all, I want to clarify something. This video is meant to be viewed by beginners, the ones that are starting from scratch. If you are not, but you know someone who really wants to start learning Spanish, show him this video because this might be very beneficial for him or her, especially for those who want to really speak the language, not just learn it. Good. Now, I am going to suppose that you are a beginner or that you have no previous knowledge of Spanish. And first, I want to say congratulations for making the decision of studying this very beautiful language. It's very rewarding and it is not as hard as it seems. It is actually very easy to grasp. But the thing is this. I'm sure that you can learn Spanish on your own. And I truly believe in self-study because after all, that's how I learned myself French and German. But although you can find ton and ton of resources out there online, and most of them are courses that you can find for free or you might have even paid for some of them, the thing is that they teach you how to read. They teach you the grammar. They might include some listening activities that will make you proficient in this particular skill. But what is happening with the speaking skill? You can pay to a teacher from $5 to $30 per hour for individual lessons, or you can join a classroom with other peers that are at your level. And I think that both of them are beneficial. But the thing is that the individual lessons online sometimes are a bit expensive, and the classrooms often ask for you to be there in the classroom at a certain time or at a certain moment and during certain days. And we often don't have these flexibilities to attend the lessons. So that's the problem. So I was wondering, since there are many courses from big companies such as Pimsleur or Rosetta Stone or Rocket Languages, there must be a course that is covering the speaking skills that every language learner needs. But it turns out that there is none. So after seeing this problem, I said to myself, Diego, let's create a course that is mainly focused on speaking and listening. In my opinion, the two most important skills to possess when it comes to communicating with others. I mean, how many times have you tried to communicate with your neighbor? Or maybe with Juanito, your classmate? Or with Jose, your co-worker? This is the main reason why I started creating a speaking and listening course that will lead you from beginner from scratch to a certain level where you can and will be able to understand basic conversations. So if you are committed and convinced that you want to start to learn how to speak Spanish, be sure to go and check the program. But hurry up, because I will only be accepting 10 students. If I get these 10 students during this week, I will start creating the course. Now, if you decide to join the course, you will have the chance to work along with me in the creation, in the design of this course, just to make it more awesome for students like you. And of course, this means that you will have a huge impact on how others learn. As part of my first students, you will also get two main benefits. Number one, you will get an hour free of charge with me. We will have a lesson 1-to-1. Number two, you will get my support 24/7 if you ever have a question or a doubt about the material in the course. And I will give you more resources to help you gain more exposure with the language. If you have a question regarding this course, please feel free to message me on Facebook, Mextalki, or to send me an email to my personal email, which is diego.m at Mextalki.com. If you are interested, be sure to go and check out what I can offer to you in our webpage. The webpage, the link I provided in the details of this video. Remember, I can only accept 10 students in the course of 1 week. If I get them, we will start making the course. If not, don't worry, full refund to you. I hope to see you there, Mextalkers.